I feel like I should turn off my AC. It's so loud. This is the most random outfit I've worn. Like, this morning started off kind of strange. Got a text from a number that is not saved, so naturally I'm like, who is this? I have to run out of here. I'm gonna literally get one of the bikes. I have to go return something at Whole Foods. Oh my God, I forgot to say, I am extremely sore. I took an F45 class on Monday. My rib cage is extremely sore, as well as my quads. My quads are so sore. I edited this whole video to learn that 80% of this video is me making food. And no, I am not a full-on food content creator. And my videos don't normally center around food, but I do enjoy that I took you guys through a handful of different types of meals that I have made that are all very high protein. I did mention that I am on my high protein journey and I am eating upwards of 90 grams of protein a day, which I'm really proud of. So take this as an impromptu what I eat in a couple of days as a girl who is on her high protein meal journey. Hi, Dorothy.
Hi, Dorothy.
Nice to meet you.
We're doing something right because it's a lot coming in. Young, so y'all keep me young.
You're young. It's about 2 p.m. I'm eating lunch. I am going to start editing my long form video. I've been eating this lunch for like a week now. It's so good. It's just so easy and so filling, and it has a lot of protein in it. Someone who needs background music, I feel like I can't just be in silence. Well, sometimes I can, but
like, just weird. I don't know, like I never matched up with you.
Which is the rock. This rock is
college, and that's, I forgot how it is.
the weekend. I was like, I felt very numb, like completely like shut out the world so that I could just try to gain a sense of like self again.
Have the time. I mean, he may like you, but he may not have the time with whatever else is going on to put into this. And if he doesn't, then he needs to let you know so that you can find somebody that does. You shut out the world for a day. You needed to take care of yourself. So let me know if you need anything. You know, I'm here.
Yes.
Okay?
Thank you, Laura. Oh! Good old therapy, you know. Well, I wanted to journal already, but then my therapist said, you should journal today about this session. I was like, you know what? You're right. Our way to Run Club. I'm almost there. I don't know if I did an OOTD, but it's okay. Good morning. Today is Thursday. Did Run Club yesterday, and I was so tired that I couldn't even film, so I just took a shower and went to bed. But Run Club yesterday was super fun. I feel like each week it is getting like better and better, at least my experience. My body truly needs to finish this before I eat anything. We are officially done with this planner. It's actually nice to go through those and, you know, see how far I've come. This goes into the archive. Well, the very first thing I need to do today is pay my bills. Definitely not exciting stuff, but as adults, obviously we have to do that. Pay my rent, utilities, but also I have to pay my clients who I work with. I feel like a lot of these things are pretty redundant, but you know, sometimes work is not like super exciting, and that's okay. There are days that are really exciting. So it's, for me, I actually like to have the opposite of like, there's really fun days and then more chill days. And today is a more chill day. I meal prepped this on Sunday. It'll get more eventful in like 3 hours. Hello. This is what I meant when I said that the day is going to get a little more eventful. I'm going to dinner with my friend, and then there's an event right next to dinner. We put body glitter on. We have our star earrings, which are so cute. All right, we are so late. Here are the shoes. And here's the bag. I just got back from the event and took a shower, much needed shower. It is like 95 degrees outside. Way too hot to be outside. I also needed to get ice cream. So I got an ice cream sandwich. And this is just so nostalgic. This is like childhood coded. And I'm so excited. This week in particular has just been such a long week, filled with so much stuff. Like each day this week, I've gotten home at like 10:30, 11, 11:30. And I've been going to bed at almost midnight, which is not ideal, but I understand. Summer's the time to do all this. In 2 months' time, we're not going to be doing this as much, taking it for what it is, and I'm appreciating everything. I mean, everything's okay. I got it. Ooh, never be like you. Good morning. Today's Friday, and it feels like a Friday. Actually, this week has felt like 10 years long. Kodak brand. Wow. It is make it or break it with the type of milk you use for the pancakes. You need like an actual true milk for it to taste like an actual pancake, and Fairlife gets a thumbs up from me. This is my first time trying it. That was a 28 gram meal for breakfast. It's literally noon, but that's amazing. And when I said I was gonna check my email, so I didn't. I'm experiencing a heat wave in New York right now. An update on something that I was annoyed about like last week. Insurance. Not a sexy topic. I pay for like my doctor's appointments out of pocket. Health care stuff and insurance, it gets so complicated. And I know people have talked about this in the past, and I know people personally who was like, okay, I was mischarged like $300 for something that was like a $50 thing or whatever. That has been actually like a very stressful thing I've been going through in the past few months, but I mean, I just haven't brought it up because I was still in the thick of it trying to get it handled. Speak up when something's wrong, and speak up when like you're being honestly mistreated. Anyways, not to put a damper on this Friday. I just got this in the mail. I ordered this for my nails. I don't have my acrylics on, honestly, for good reason. I need to give my nails a break, and I also don't want to do gel for at least a month. I really need to let my nails breathe. But anyways, I got this. It's called Carousel. It's multi-purpose nail repair, and specifically for damaged nails from gel manicures and like acrylic. It says to just put one coat on twice a day for the first week, and then after the first week I do it only at night. Cheers to healthier nails. I have you guys propped up on my candle because I'm way too lazy to get my tripod. It has been many hours since we've last spoken, and there has been a lot that has transpired. So first off, I do have my date confirmed. It's what, like 6:30. I'm making dinner, some electrolyte at the store so I can hydrate. Put it all on. This is my snack while I wait. I will. It's great for salvage what we can. So dinner is served. I am glowing in this light. I put on the light on my camera, so this is very content creator-esque, but we are ready for the date. I just wanted to do an OOTN. It's a little pop of color, and I have my body glitter. The glitter is glittering. Live from the East Village. On our way to the date, we're almost there. This is a pretty random breakfast or to debrief the date, I guess. Unfortunately, I feel in my heart that we don't have a connection. This is the third date I've been on with this person. I feel like I pretty much got the clarity I needed, but then also with that clarity came to the conclusion that that's not the type of guy who I can see myself with long term. I was debating on if I wanted to tell you guys this, but I am also I'm going on another date today with a brand new person. That was so cool how it opened. I decided I want a little bit of tomato in mine. Here is the dinner. This is my first time making this. I am very looking forward to trying it. First bite. Or I've been really craving pasta, like spaghetti pasta.